16 Types of Aloinopsis Pictorial Guide. Aloinopsis is a genus of little succulent plants that belong to the family Aizoaceae. Aloinopsis plants are compact and small, generally growing to a height of around 4 inches, 10 centimeters, and a width of 8 inches, 20 centimeters. They have thick, fleshy leaves that are set up in a rosette pattern, and their stems are generally short and hardly visible. Aloinopsis acuta, Aloinopsis leucaphee, Aloinopsis malherbe, Aloinopsis rosellata, Aloinopsis rubrolineata, Aloinopsis schunisi, Aloinopsis sedifera, Aloinopsis spathulata. Overall, Aloinopsis is a hardy plant that is easy to propagate and care for. With the right conditions and care, you can enjoy a beautiful display of Aloinopsis plants in your garden or home. Please visit Succulent.com for the complete list.